Mga parasiwan, okay pa ba kayo? Isang masigla at makulay na araw para sa mga
Estudyanteng numero 1. Balik eskwela na naman, kaya ang tanong ng bayan, handa na ba kayo? Tara, kamustahin natin ang mga parasiwans! Okay na, pre. Okay na, no? Cut na to. Pagod na ako eh.
Good morning, good evening, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My name is Kurt Yoy. Ako ang talaningning ng Communication Society and I am with my partner, with my best friend. Sobrang init, pretentious ka. I am dito na. Makikilala nyo na ang launching niya, ang best friend ko, ang superstar, the singer, the diva, and the songwriter. Please welcome. Here we go again. Let me introduce you all, my dear friend, Sabrina Carpintero. Tama na. So, kamusta ka ngayon?
I'm very, very, very well. How about you?
Me, I am very, thank you very much for that wonderful question. Me, my family, oh my God, you are so happy. Hi! Dami ko na namang hinayat. So, what are you looking forward as a second year student?
I'm very looking forward for the new experiences, the new faces,
Correct?
and the new...
The new what?
Parang
Ako, I am marking my new journey.
journey.
Yeah, my new journey and my new diary. So yeah, I am going somewhere and I'm gonna see the light.
Over
See
the
the light.
window?
It's coming to see. It calls me. So ano yung gagawin mo today? Pwede mo ba akong samahan?
Sure.
Para nahuhubaran na ako. Ganito kasi dapat. Pwede mo ba akong samahan? Kasi may hahanapin tayo ngayon.
Ay, hanapin.
Yung mapapangasawa. Hindi ka gano'n na. May hahanapin tayo ngayon kasi kailangan nating mag-imbestiga at alamin kung ano ang kalagayan ng mga freshman, mga second year, third year, and fourth year sa pansuman. Oo, kasi hindi ka na naman fresh. So, ready ka na ba?
Ready na!
How ready are you are?
I'm 100% ready!
Paano yung taas? Dito kayo taas, no? Pag gano'n ka ready? Parang sabi nung pa ako, this nothing na boses na yun. Ako,
Ready na.
parang, ganon. So, are we gonna start?
Gonna start?
I don't know. It's up to you. We're gonna start.
Ikaw ba?
Me?
Sige na no?
Yeah, sure. So, I'm gonna exit.
Go na.
So we have you, what is your name, your program, and your year level? You first.
I'm Alexa po and I'm BPED first year po. I'm Desar Paredes from
Nakalimutan.
Bachelor Science and Tourism Management.
Tourism Management.
My name is John Calderla po. BPED din po and first year din po ako.
How about you?
I am Jeneline De La Torre Manlabi. I'm from Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management.
I'm Cosmo Dula, second year BE Political Science.
My name is Jose Gabriel B. Habelio. Second year. Ang program ko is agribusiness.
I'm Jello Gregorio po from BSHF third year student po. My name is Glycia Jane Arbilion. I'm from Bachelor of Science Tourism. I am Jenny. I'm 18, a second year college student and same program po kami.
So, ayan, thank you po. So, I am Justin El Vicente. I enrolled in Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Margaret C. Martel. I am a second year taking up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science.
My name is Nika Isabel Bocasas. I'm a web freshman from Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
I'm Julian H. Prado. I am a second year student and I'm taking up Political Science as well.
I am Keisha from BSTM.
Super sweet. Super short. Thank you so much.
I'm Shine Pearl Estaron po, also third year from BSHM din po.
So, I'm Kyle Edio Barredas from College of Sciences with Computer Science for third year.
We have this question for you. Are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Yes. Gano ka yes? Is it a yes or yes? Yes. So yes! Paano? It's a yes! Ay, gusto kayo mga ito. Yes! Masaya tayo. How will you rate your first day so far? Is it a 1/10 or is it a 10/10?
For me, so far hindi pa naman talaga namin na-experience kung ano ba talaga yung magiging eksena namin sa second year. Kasi nga, syempre kakatungtong pa lang namin. So, marami pang mga challenges or kailangan pa namin siyang kailangan pa namin siyang himay-himayin kung ano ba talaga dapat yung mga challenges or experience na maranasan namin sa second.
Very tired.
Very tired. So, may mga prof na kayo kanina?
First subject natin na.
First subject. So, nakapag-introduce yourself? Wala pa. Yun ang pinakamasaya. Introduce yourself. My name is Kurt Love.
10/10 sa akin.
10/10 why?
I get to meet new people at saka yung new surroundings and energy na binibigyan ng mga classmates ko ng bago ito. So, yun.
So, giving naman natin.
Yes.
Tara, energy. Ano ba sila? Parang lagi ba silang tumitira ng Gatorade na may Milo? Ganun lang ng energy.
Rate 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
First day namin today, tapos starting kanina hanggang ngayon wala pa rin kaming class. So, hindi pa namin talaga na kung ano yung class, kung magiging happy ba. Ay, sorry!
Okay lang.
Magiging happy ba or magiging problemado ba kami? Gusto ko agad ng academic break. Pagod agad. I think I would say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Kasi very fulfilling naman yung first day namin. Very, alam mo yun, educational, very informative naman yung aming first day.
Yes.
Siguro yung yung 2 na binawas ko sa aking rating is yung pagod lang siguro. Alam mo yun, kasi lahat naman tayo napapagod. Pero, yes. Pero overall, it was a very nice experience naman.
Pero, once and for all, rate nyo lang. How about you? What is your rating? Yeah, experience as a freshie. 10. And you?
9?
It's a 9. Why 9?
9 kasi, masaya siya, ganun.
Yeah. Is your favorite food cloud 9?
8/10.
Why 8?
Masaya naman yung BPED as a first year, pero masaya siya. And kaso, sobrang init sa room namin.
Mainit.
Sobrang init.
Parang mapapangarapin mo talaga na ang lawak-lawak na area, tatabi ng South Korea. Ang laki ng dagat doon. Bakit? Doon ka sa ilalim nilagay ng geography.
1,000 because there's a lot.
1,000.
There's a lot of fine.
Ang bibig natin gana Basta maraming fine people.
Yes.
May question
We don't
tayo
care
pa-
about education.
Yeah.
We just care about fine.
Thank you so much. Dalawang bleep na yon.
Rated as a 3 po. 3 kasi yung mga prof na hindi pa pumapasok is very hassle sa amin kasi yung break is very... Tapos yung sunod na class is sobrang haba nung break talaga. Like, minsan nakakabot ng 4 hours. And also yung mga students din na need na mag-adding na nagre-reklamo kasi medyo mahaba yung pila sa cashier and sa registrar. So, I'll rate it as a 3 and yung weather, hindi ko masabing mainit kasi umuulan ngayon.
Yes. Tama. Correct. How about you?
11. Kasi na-shook ako kanina.
Nagulat ka 11. Pero nag-enjoy ka naman so far sa college life.
Okay lang po, kaso yun nga po, wala pa po kaming prof. So, medyo tama na, di ba? Pagod siya.
Okay. So, pag nagka-prof kayo bukas, masaya naman kayo.
Slide.
Slide. Kasi pwede na pwede tayo yung punta ng ang mga students. So, shout out to our faculty there. Pumasok na kayo. Take tayo dito. Papasok ang student at papasok din ang faculty. My partner here has a question for you. And just answer laban-laban kung kaya mo niya sumagot niya. O bawi-bawi kung ayaw niyo sagutin. Laban-laban, bawi-bawi.
Laban ako.
Ikaw, paano ang laban-laban? Oo, paano na? Yung energy. 1, 2, 3. Laban-laban! Gusto ko yun. Throw it.
What are you excited about this year? Oh my God.
Translator? Translator.
Apart from the lessons na we will be tackling about sa mga subjects namin, like about politics, governance, ganyan. Yung mga events and mga extracurricular activities na ina-offer din ng PALSU. So let's say, may binturungan, yung mga ganon and stuff. So, yung parang mga events na yun kasi it gives us the opportunity to meet and interact with our fellow Palsuans. So, ayun, I would like to have that opportunity rin talaga.
Yeah, thank you very much for that wonderful answer. Miss Australia? Yeah.
Siguro po yung mga incoming events.
Ano? Ganito dati pag sumasagot. Game. Akin, hahawakan ko yung akas mo. Game. Okay. Game. Your timer starts now.
Siguro po yung mga yung incoming events po namin sa DPED. Yung and yung ayun lang po.
To gather enough experiences whenever I pursue my dreams in the future, and also sana magkaroon na pa ako ng mas maraming kaibigan dito sa College of Arts and Humanities and also sa program namin. And I think that is all. Thank you.
Yes.
Excited ako sa sabihin niya.
Excited to date all fine.
Yun talaga siya. Yung mga fine people talaga. Excited today. Ganyan din kami. Excited for our love life. Kasi, ikaw na ba si Mr.
Right.
Hindi pa patalo.
Contestant number
2. Hawakan ko din yung flask mo. Okay, dalawang kamay sa bewang.
Paano ba?
Pow! Okay. Ganyan. Okay, go.
Excited ako na matuto, gano'n, mag-learn and like para ma-improve yung ating communication skills.
Correct.
Especially kasi ibang tourism, gano'n. I'm excited din ako sa mga new fun, making new memories, gano'n.
Yeah, correct. Memory it is.
Expect ko dito na mas ma-boost yung confidence ko because I'm not a very extrovert person. I want to improve my communication skills and to be fluent in English. Yeah, that's all.
Sabi niya tour guiding. Hindi mo ba alam sa communication magaling ko ng tour guide? Ito mag-meet kami dyan. Ito tour namin kayo. Alam mo kung saan? Sa Mars tayo pupunta. Kasi masyado nang nabibisita ang Coron at ang ibang isla. Dediretso tayo ng Mars. Kasi sabi nila sa PSU once, PSU beloved! Lanta mo! Di ba?
Siguro magiging exciting siya kapag pag-start ng mga class.
Excited ako sa katulad ng sinabi na Des about tour guiding kasi I really love to travel talaga.
Yeah.
Especially, di ba, nag-tourism kami.
Yeah.
And yun.
Have you been to Encantadia?
Malapit na.
Malapit na.
Siguro yung mga event or sa mga class din. Lalo na may mga, syempre, bagong subjects and bagong prof. So, be ready.
So, of course, yung freshman walk ng ating mga first year po. Since I'm college representative po from the College of Sciences. So, need na lahat ng preparation para, para manalo ulit.
Kasi kayo nanalo last year ba?
No po, in terms of YAL po.
Okay.
For me, parehas lang din naman mga events and siguro yung events na nga talaga. Pero ang pinaka-inaabangan ko talaga is binturungan and talentadong Pinoy. So,
Malapit yan. So, sasali ka ba sa talentadong Pinoy?
oo naman.
Ano ang talent mo?
Secret na yun.
Yeah. I would like to ask, do you have a crush today and tomorrow and yesterday here in this campus, third year, fourth year, or kahit sino pa yan? Meron na ba kayong natitipuhan? May mga crushes na ba sa campus na ita?
Sa PSU wala.
Sa outside meron?
Yes, meron.
Okay, may nakatalo na sa mga estudyante. Numero uno. Ayaw not available. Why not available?
May boyfriend po ako.
May boyfriend siya. Masaya ang puso.
Masaya,
Hindi pera kayong lahat.
Opo.
Spill na yan.
So, as in wala.
Wala po.
Wala. Pero happy ang heart.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you?
Wala naman.
Wala pa so far. Marami kang makikita.
Of course, di naman po yan may iwasan na mag-adjust po. So, yes po.
Mga ilan yan?
Lagpas daliri.
Ano?
Lagpas daliri.
Dalili sa kamay lang. Kasama yung paa.
Sobra pa.
Sobra. Parang kailangan mo yung mga tatlong tao.
Yeah.
Mga ganun.
Parang nakalista tayo.
Correct.
Wala tayo niyan. Focus tayo sa aka.
Focus. Lock in siya.
I'm currently in healthy relationship for almost 3 years and yes.
May taga-sundo.
Wala, yun lang din ang masakit kasi LDR. Yun na.
LDR.
Yeah.
Pero 3 years.
Yes.
Where's how di Carabao?
How di Carabao?
What is the distance? Gaano kalayo yan?
Sa Irawan.
Okay. Ikaw, alam ko marami. Yes. Ano din siya? Talking stage. May kinikilala siya. Ikaw, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
Wala siya dito sa campus.
Taga-ibang school.
Yes.
Happy life?
Happy
Single or
life.
taken?
Taken.
Taken. Congratulations! You are 1 in a million people. Rar! Mga parar ka na lang. Sobrang dami. Anong year ba yan?
First.
First year. Hindi mo pa
Classmate.
natin- Classmate niya. Anong section to? Alamin niyo sino yan. Ikaw? Parang feeling ko malapit siya dito. Your answer mo. Ang aking kasagutan ay...
May may bebe ako.
Ano daw?
May bebe siya.
May ano siya. So, baka may message ka sa iyong loved ones.
Yung bebe. Bebe,
Ay,
ang
okay.
ganyan.
Hindi.
How about you?
May inaabangan.
May inaabangan.
Abangan. Bakit inaabangan?
Hindi taga PSU. Bakit? Ba't inaabangan?
Ano siya, ganun, waiting.
Gano'n. Pero nag-entertain na. Siya, ina-entertain mo siya. Okay, so parang ano sila, parang laban. Bawi. Alam mo ang kanta na yun? Kantay mo nga.
Laban.
Yes.
Oh, bawi.
Thank you so much.
So far po, this wala pa naman po. Pero, yun, malalaman natin yan. This,
Parang sabi niya, magkakaalaman tayo.
As for now, hindi muna po ako siguro mag-entertain. Pero yun nga po, syempre kailangan natin ng motivation for us to study more efficiently and kailangan natin ng inspiration sa buhay, di ba? Ganon dapat yung mindset natin. Kasi hindi mo masusurvive yung college kung puro seryoso ka lang. Dapat you need to loosen up a bit. Yeah, loosen up a bit so you can slay all the challenges along the way and you can be yourself, be authentically yourself, and just believe in God. Have a strong faith in God, rather. Na kaya mong mapagtagumpayan lahat ng challenges na kakarapin mo.
Goodbye.
Farewell.
Alam na aking mahal.
Pwede ka
So, ano masasabi mo sa first episode mo na Vox Pop?
It was nice working with you.
Yeah, it was nice working with you too. I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss Comsock. And I'm gonna miss everyone, guys. Ay,
Ako
gonna
yung mamiss mo na sa...
No, not really. It's like a very farewell to my friends and to everybody else. And just like a farewell, the sun is saying farewell to and bidding his goodbye, her goodbyes, because wala nang araw at hello! At napapagod, sino yung hinayan ko? Hindi ko siya kilala, pero ingat. Yeah. Pagod na kami. At paalam, everybody. Again, I am Skirtio, ang talalingning ng Communication Society.
Ang Sabrina Carpintero ng Communication Society.
Yes, and this is gonna be the last time for a very long time that you're gonna see this beautiful face. And I would like to say,
Please, 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 don't prove alright.
Grabe yung tandem natin. May singer, may actor. Pero, serious na to. Goodbye, everybody, and I love you so much, Hamsak. I love you, everybody else, and I would say, it's such a beautiful thing for you. Sabi nga ni Audrey Hepburn. And this I end. You have truly been a friend. Thank you so much. Lobat? Lalobat?